What's going on, Chemical Ice family? Today we have a challenge, and we also have a brand new product drop. We have our signature series orange degreaser foaming spray. Now we're gonna be putting it to the test, and I need your guys' opinion who did it the best. From cleaning a lawnmower, to cleaning an engine bay, to cleaning dirty tools, to even clean a super dirty tire. We have 4 contestants. Your vote matters. Anyways, guys, let's get right into this video.
So my part of the challenge is to clean this engine bay, and I chose an engine bay because it is really dirty and you will tell the before and afters. So first thing first, you want to make sure you cover all the computer, all the batteries. So you're gonna grab a towel and you're gonna go ahead and cover that area right there. You want to make sure you don't get none of that stuff wet or put degreaser on top of it. So simply all you're gonna do is grab your orange degreaser and you're gonna spray directly all onto the surface and just let it sit for about 2 minutes. So now that we're done spraying the degreaser, you can notice right away is all the dirt and grime is breaking up. So we let this sit for about 1 or 2 minutes. Then we're gonna go ahead and rinse off the engine bay. Henry and his lawnmower have no chance.
So Quicks did a great job, but I'm going a little bit outside the box, outside the car, and I'm actually going to be degreasing a lawnmower. Now, the reason why I want to show you guys how easy it is to degrease a lawnmower is because, especially if you do like landscaping for a business, or even if you mow multiple lawns, one thing you want to prevent is cross-contamination, because you never know what type of things live in the lawn. So some lawns have weeds, some lawns have grass, some have both, and the last thing you want to do is pick up that seed, take that seed onto the other lawn, and then after that you have to go down a whole entire rabbit hole. So that's why degreasing a lawnmower after you use it is a great thing to do, especially it's gonna make it look newer and keep it cleaner for much longer. Even by me rinsing it, the grass is not coming off. That's just because obviously whenever anybody has mowed a lawn before, you know, you never want to be dealing with wet grass. You never want to do it because then grass gets on your wheels, you start going over the concrete and you're leaving your concrete green. But by using our orange degreaser, all you need to do is just open it up. You'll spray this thing everywhere. And look, it goes on very, very smooth. And I love the aerosol formula because it gets in the nooks and crannies. The nooks and crannies sometimes can be very tedious to clean it up, but the degreaser, if you look closely, it's already breaking down everything. And then going back to my wheels, these wheels, they're 5 inches, but I keep them super, super clean. In the back, they're a little bit bigger. It's like a mullet. Small in the front, long in the back. I'm definitely gonna win this. Quickie, talk too early. Vote for me right now in the comment section down below.
All right, guys, so I have my tools right here laid in front of me, and you know what? Props to Henry and Quicks for doing a good job, but I'm gonna do an even better job. I'm gonna go ahead and place our first tool, which is our screwdriver, onto the surface. I did lay the towel on just to make sure the table is protected. Now simply just pop off the lid. This degreaser is meant to be used very simply, so simply spray it on. I would say let it sit a little bit to kind of get any of the dirt and grime onto it, and then just wipe it off. Okay, so as you can see, the foaming agencies are doing their work. So I'm gonna let it sit for a couple minutes. You can kind of see, if you look up closely, it's kind of slowly popping all of the built up dirt that was embedded onto the tool. And bam! Guys, go ahead and just check out that after. It looks like I just unpackaged this and took it out the box. But now, I'm gonna go ahead and get to all these tools that are waiting in line. But meanwhile, let's go ahead and check what Joey's doing. But guys, don't forget to vote for me.
All right, guys, so I guess it's my turn now. Quicks did an okay job cleaning the engine bay. Henry's lawnmower, I think it could look better. Paulina's tools, I ain't gonna lie, they weren't even that dirty in the first place. But you know what is dirty? This right here. So as you can see, these wheels have definitely seen better days, along with the undercarriage as well. You can see there's all kinds of road dirt, grime, debris, I don't know what the owner of this vehicle does with it, but you know what? They're doing some trucking activities and I respect that. But luckily for him, we've got our Signature Series Orange Degreaser in a foaming aerosol can now. So now what we're gonna do, guys, is just go ahead and start spraying this product all over the place, including the tire, the wheel, the undercarriage, the subframe, the suspension components, you name it. Let's spray it up and let's watch all that dirt just dissolve right before our eyes. Ooh, look at that coverage, baby. Talk about Verizon Wireless, the coverage right there. Look, you can actually see all that dirt and grime just dissolving right before our eyes. You can actually see all the previous dressings, all the road film, the tar, anything that's been on that tire is now just thoroughly getting extracted with this degreaser. And that's really the overall key aspect to this product, right? You want it to clean the surface. You want it to extract everything that you see, because we're gonna wanna apply a tire shine on this after we're done cleaning it, and it's not gonna bond as well and it's not gonna look as good if the tire is dirty. So you guys already know, we're gonna let that sit for about 60 seconds and then we're gonna go ahead and rinse it off. All right, guys, so now that all the dirt and grime is dissolved, you can see all that foam just turned brown and now it's thoroughly just ran off the tire and the wheel. All that there's left to do is to rinse it off to see the results. All right, guys, so without further ado, that's my results. Hopefully this gets me a great submission in the entry for this competition. But you guys decide. Comment in the comment section down below right now. Who do you think won the challenge out of everyone on today's video? And real quick, before I know you guys are gonna run to the comment section and say, oh, it's so dirty. It's not dirty, it's actually just the wheel itself. It's an old truck. As you can see, this is like a 90s truck. So these are the original wheels, and I ain't gonna lie, they look pretty good for its age.
I hear excuses. And there you guys have it. You guys saw different scenarios on how to use our brand new Signature Series Orange Degreaser Spray. Are you guys voting for Quicks? That's not Quicks, but he's representing Quicks now. Paulina, Joey, or myself, as always, if you guys do want to pick up this product today, tap the link down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and vote down below. By the way, Joey, I'm here to tell you, you missed a spot right there. You missed a spot right there. And Quicks, you missed that spot right there. Vote now.
Quicks. Who is that guy?
I won. Hey, 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 hey.